Hi guys, I'm Melissa and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. It's been a while. I think it's been just like over a month. I've been so busy, but I get into that in the video, so make sure you keep watching. Today I created this fall look here using these two Technic palettes. They're not new, but like they're new to me, so they're new. So I used these two, and I also used a brand new bronzer, which shocked me. But yeah, so if you want to see my impressions and all of that good stuff, then keep on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Super Size Conceal and Define Concealer to prime my eyes. So I'm actually going to use two new palettes. I've only really used them once or twice. And there are Technic palettes from Technic Cosmetics. This one is Trendsetter and it's so pretty. Yeah, and then this one is Shaken and Not Stirred, and it's really pretty. It just screams fall to me. And I've actually seen a palette, like an exact dupe to this, which is the Makeup Revolution. I'm not sure what it's called, but they have a palette which is pretty much quite similar. And yeah, we're just gonna get cracking with the eyes. I'm really not sure what I'm going for, but what else is new? I'm going to zoom you guys in so that we can really pay attention to those eyes. So yeah, I think we are zoomed in. If not, then we're not zoomed in. Go in with the Shaken Not Stirred palette. I'm going to take that orange there and put it as my transition colour on first, and then I will blend it out. So I just changed my brush just because the colour wasn't going on the way I wanted it. So yeah, just going to build up that yellow orange and try and put it higher up. And I'm definitely going for a fall look, so that's what the idea is, but knowing me, it will end up being something completely different, so we'll really just have to see. Now I'm just going in that yellow and using it further up. Next we're going to use this brown shade here to really amp this up. I'm going to take this orangey brown shade there, and this is in the Trendsetter palette. I think I'm going to do a bit of a green look, so let me just swatch and see. So these are like the three swatches of the greens. I think I'm going to go with this one first and see how that looks. Ooh, oh my god, I've barely put any on and it's... oh, this is nice. To darken it up, I'm going to use this shade right here. I'm also going to place this shade on my lid. You can see on this eye it looks slightly harsh, so I'm just going to blend that out. And go back in with that brown shade there. Honestly, you guys, this looks tray messy, but we're just gonna keep going. To finish up the eyes, I'm just going to use that green shimmer there. So I've just done the bottom lashes eyeshadow, and next we're gonna go in with mascara. This is the Givenchy Noir Couture Volume Mascara Volume. And I absolutely love how it looks. For lashes, I'm going to use Embe lashes in the style Stila. You can use my code. I'll put it here and in the description box. And you can get your first pair for free. And then after that, 10% off. How pretty are these lashes though? I am obsessed with them. Next, I'm going to prime my face with the CYO Matte and Blur Primer. To be fair, this primer doesn't really mattify up my skin, but it does blur things out, I guess. For foundation, I will use the Stila Aqua Glow Serum Foundation. And I honestly love this little pump thing. I don't use it a lot because it's like the wrong undertone, but sometimes I'll use it and mix it with another one. I also use the Bourjois Healthy Mix Foundation in the shade Golden Toffee. Or is it Golden Cappuccino? I can't remember, it's golden something. I'm going to use this sponge. I got it today from the Poundland and it feels so soft and amazing. So this is actually like the first time I'm using it. It's quite nice. Not bad for £1, eh? Both of the foundations are quite medium to full coverage, so that's why you can still see some of my spots peeking through. So I'm just going to do another layer just to really get those areas, and I'm just going to use the Healthy Mix one. For concealer, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Supersized Conceal and Define again. I'm glad I got the supersize because honestly the other normal one literally only lasted me a week, and this one has lasted longer. To be fair, I haven't been wearing makeup that much, but this is like longer than a week's worth. So the reason why I haven't been like filming or uploading or anything is because I'm obviously back at uni and it's my second year, and I'm currently on a 70-day placement and it is intense. I'm like literally so tired all the time, and last weekend I literally slept all day. Saturday, I think I woke up at like 3. To be fair, I did sleep at like 5 AM, but yeah, so it's literally been mad. It's like a full-time job, so I get so tired and exhausted, and I'm a tired person anyway, so I'm always tired. Like put that as well, it makes me even more tired, so there's been that. So I literally haven't had time to film, and when I do have time, like on weekends, I've been so tired, and obviously had assignments to do, and my laptop's broken, it can't be fixed. So yeah, my life has been a bit of a shambles. I also just turned 23 about 2 weeks ago. I did film a Get Ready With Me. My birthday was on Tuesday, the 9th of October, and I was so busy that day I couldn't even film like a Get Ready With Me, because I did go out for dinner with some friends and then I went home for the weekend. So I did film a Get Ready With Me, and I was going to do a vlog, but it was not looking possible. But I did film a Get Ready With Me birthday edition. I'm not sure which video is going to be up first, just because I don't have a laptop at the moment and my phone is bugging. So yeah, so I just turned 23. It's a bit mad, but I'm an oldie. I'm getting old, guys. But I'm going to try and, you know, get back onto that filming grind, because if I can film like 2 or 3 videos, then I can get into it. And that is the concealer done. I'm gonna set it with Maybelline Matte and Poreless pressed powder in the shade 350 Caramel, and I literally just rub it in with my beauty blender and then press in. And I did this instead of baking the other day, and I don't know, I was hella oily, so I think I'd have to bake as well, but I'm gonna test it out tomorrow. Next, I got a bronzer, a new bronzer, not the one that I normally use. This is a big fat ass bronzer. It's from Sunkissed. It's called Sunkissed Giant Bronzer. That's what happens when I talk too fast. Sunkissed Sunkissed Giant Bronzer in the shade Dark, and this is a dark bronzer, you guys. I haven't even used it yet. I literally got it today. I'm trying to open it and I can't open it. Yeah, opening it is like a chore because I don't want to break it, but if I don't push it hard enough, it doesn't open. Oh, I did it. And that is how big the bronzer is. As I said, this is the first time using it, so this should be interesting. So I'm just gonna swirl. Ooh, look at that. It just kind of like goes everywhere. Oh, wow, okay. That's a bronzer. Oh my gosh, that is so dark. Guys, I don't really know where to go from here because I'll sort that out. So I really think like less is more, because as you can see, it literally just bronzed the fuck out of my face. This is what you call a bronzer. Oh my god, you guys, this side looks so muddy. It's like too much. I'm gonna take my luxury powder in the shade Banana from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just gonna use like a bit of that to like correct this because it's just not looking right. And I'm gonna use this end here. This looks a bit cakey, not gonna lie. Oh, doesn't look so bad actually. I just don't know what to think of this bronzer. It's so dark. Probably should have got a medium because I didn't think it would be that dark. I'm gonna add this green, lime green gold shade here in my inner corner because why not? It's pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My eye's moving mad because there's nothing wrong with it. For my lips, I'm going to use a little bit of a combo. I've never done this combo before, so this should be interesting. I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. Espresso as usual, so that's not much of a difference. I'm going to go in with this matte lipstick. Is from MUA. I can't remember the shade. It's something like Naturally Nude or Nude something. I look like a crazy person. Then I'm going to go in with a gloss. So this is pretty much the finished look. It's pretty much a fall edition kind of look, and I'm really happy with how it came out. It was tray messy at first, but we sorted it out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you, bye.